And I want to assure the families and the nation that the Ghana Armed Forces has initiated a full and transparent investigation into
the president of Ghana, President John Dramani Mahama, Ababontin, Wafu Simpini and Pababontin, Eddie Ababe Tuja, Abekatcher Ghana for Nina, and Adolfonia Busian for Oma this year, a quail the last brain crasher is here. And President Mahama Babontin, Ababe Catcher Munina Sintino, among Comacoman to Omium. Now I share Ghana military service and as a Ghana investigation service or more military anymore, since you know, or making sure since you proper investigation. Afa sa ya kan simple plane crash LED to omane boa mane abusuafo ne adofo ne mpanyinfo a omo hwere omo nkwa no omo making sure since no omo be finding the root cause, the main problem. And into as a plane way and as a helicopter way etimi ekonya accident di oyele kese ababeto Ghana for so na say in some of the presidents were breaking it down papa no I sure abusuafo nyina sinti no so far as he is concerned there omo making sure say omo be hwehwem ehunu dia enam supporting and impose obi mpo share chire mpo a omo ni nipa ne bedi papa na me pese me kasa akwa chire bebre no yanko ne yanko the president Mahama and as the president of the nation President Mahama ekanye na afi nso no mpanyinfo si kwakum ye gene kwakwa num na sene wankasa nso beti no ati ahie yi na mesre sinti no koso na like share na afi subscribe to our YouTube channel no because most of the videos upload on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and also Star Ghana TV. Yada ase so nyamre na abotre na utie yanko ne kote President Mahama.
And I want to assure the families and the nation that the Ghana Armed Forces has initiated a full and transparent investigation into the circumstances of this crash. An investigative board of inquiry has been set up to investigate the cause of the crash. The flight data and cockpit voice recorders have both been retrieved. All 8 of the bodies of our departed comrades have been retrieved, and the government is in close touch with the bereaved families about identification of the bodies and final interment.
Thank you. On this somber occasion, may I respectfully invite all of us to observe a minute of silence in memory of our fallen heroes.